Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to auto change status for all existing on hold order to cancel order in WooCommerce WordPress using custom code. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in order page. Now you see on hold. So we are going to change status by using custom code. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it, and then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title here, then you see code preview. On right side you see drop down, select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now you see post status on hold and we are going to update status cancelled for all existing on hold order. Scroll down, you see inside method auto insert location run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to order page. Now you see on hold. Refresh the page. Now you see all on hold order. Update status to cancelled. Now you see. Also you see we have cancelled 5 order and you don't see any on hold order. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.